Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. I'm back with day 9 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and Mamma Mia, have I got a cool prize for you today. Now, before we get to this, how did Scrooge win the football game? Well, it turns out that in the final seconds of the fourth quarter, the ghost of Christmas passed. That joke was sent in by a viewer. Mr. Raymond, thank you so much, because that's a keeper. Anyway, on the 9th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new stabilized gimbal from our good friends at HOHEM. That's right, it's the iSteady XE. Now, if you have no idea what this product is, you basically take your smartphone and you clamp it in the stabilized gimbal. And it's going to make all your footage buttery smooth because it's got intelligence inside. It's got gyroscopes running. It's going to anticipate the movements of your hand and move the phone in the opposite direction, so you're going to get incredibly good footage. So never again will you have to worry about posting footage that looks like it came out of the Blair Witch Project. It's going to smooth everything out. Your subscribers will thank you. Your family will thank you. You'll thank me. It's a wonderful product, and we're giving it away. And everything you need's in the box. It has a tripod. It's rechargeable. You basically open the box, snap in your smartphone, and you're good to go. And the contest could not be easier to enter. Just like I've said every day, if you look below, you'll see a link. It says, enter the contest here. Click that link. Once you do that, a form will come up. Put your email in and your YouTube username in, and I need both of those so I can get a hold of you. We're not going to hang on to them, we get rid of them, but after 7 days, we're going to draw a random winner out of the entries, and we're going to send you an email saying, good news, you won the XE. Send us your shipping address. We put this in a box and we ship it right off to you. There's no strings attached. We don't ask for anything in return. We just want to give it away. And again, I don't care where in the world you live. I say this every time. You could live in a town called Drama in Greece. Drama. Boy, think about that. I imagine people are yelling at each other all the time. What are you talking about? Hey, who are you talking to? There's got to be a lot of drama there. I don't like drama, so I probably won't go there. I'm sure it's a beautiful town, and maybe I'm wrong, but if you think about it, that's where all the ancient philosophers came from. That's where the Olympics started over there. So there's a lot of drama going on in Greece. But anyway, it's a beautiful place. I've never been there. And I'm sure Drama Greece is just Drama Greece. That sounds like a product. Anyway, I'm sure the town of Drama in Greece is a wonderful place. So if you live there, I'm sure I'll love it. Please don't send me any emails yelling at me. Anyway, that's it. You could live there. You could live anywhere in the world. That's the point. So anyway, enter the contest. Now, if you haven't entered the contest up till now, there are 8 other days. Go back and look at those and enter those as well, because each day it's an individual contest. So if you enter today, we're not going to know about the first 8. You got to go back and enter those, but there's some cool prizes there. And I have to tell you, we have 3 days left, and I've been building to a crescendo here, and I'm working pretty hard, so you guys should give me some credit there. But there's 3 more days coming, and we have some incredibly good prizes. I cannot believe the last 2 days of the stuff we're giving away. To me, it's just like, boy, oh boy, I want to get in on that contest, but I can't because we're giving this stuff away. But stay tuned to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I say this every time, hit that subscribe button down there, because you don't want to miss these last 3 days of Christmas, plus the 9 we've got that we've already given away. So, or actually, we're giving away. So make sure you enter the contest. Stay tuned for the last 3. And boy, I sure hope you're having a good holiday season, because this is the one time a year where I get a chance to be a little bit goofier, but more importantly, it's a great time of year to spread a little joy. We like making people happy. We like answering questions. And if we can give back to the community and everybody's happier because of it, or we can make you laugh or groan or whatever we're doing that you're enjoying, please stay tuned to the channel, because we want to do more of it for you, and we want you to be really happy at this time of year, because I know it's a stressful time of year. We just want to relieve some of that stress through laughter. So anyway, that's all I really have for today. I'm having a great time doing these, as I do every year. I'm so looking forward to these last 3, and I hope you'll be here for them. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.